Okay guys, so this is the 17th episode, and so the earlier video was the clarification. Now I am kind of like reminding you once again of the trap. Okay, trap of the clarification. Anybody in the world who goes on defense most of the times will always be on defense. They cannot never fight in offense. It will be very hard. So don't go in defense all the time. And this, what you say, this power to question, isn't that what power is? Power basically means you are right to question. If you are more powerful, you can question more people. They will answer you. So you call your maid and you're like, okay, tell me this, tell me that. She will never say no. She will answer you. Whatever you question, she will answer you. Your employee, you will question, why is this like this? Why is that like that? You will answer them, right? So how does power work? Power works in question only. The ability to ask question is power. And that ability generally, it is systematically given. It's like who has more money, who has higher in rank in like this one, who is more educated. All of these basically, this is the current system of it, right? This is the current system we are using, like how we are attributing power. What is like democracy? That is power attribution system only. So it's like this guy will be most powerful, then there will be like 20 people under him, then there will be like 50 people under him, and it's like that only. So it doesn't need to be systematic, right? If you understand it, anybody can ask question. Everybody has the right? Let's say if two different languages people are talking, okay? And first time they are waiting, they don't understand each other. And the first one is like, who are you? You know? And the other one is like, who are you? Now both use different sound for the same word. And they both have different kind of words in which they are existing. The words and the meaning. Because if you see, there are so many words in Sanskrit and Hindi which have no word in like English. So I think a lot of people are familiar, if you are not familiar with them, in Chinese there is like this very different sound which cannot be represented by any alphabet in the English. So that is why they have a lot of like X in their name. So X is actually that sound. X doesn't read like X actually. It's kind of like a placeholder for that sound. Because how would you represent a sound when there is no alphabet to represent it? So not every culture can be put in this template and format, and because everything was different. There was different understanding of life. Whoever start answering this question first, who are you? That guy will always be in defense. Because then the entire conversation will be about that only. Because a questioner generally reserves the right to keep questioning. Because now you have kind of start answering, right? So you are like, okay, I'm this. Then you are trapped. You are like, okay, if somebody points you out, okay, why is this like that? This is not working. I don't agree with this. So now they get the right to give you opinion, their say, and show their power that, okay, your answer is this. I will reject it, like it, not like it, accept it. You understand? So don't fall in this trap, okay? Don't fall. So this is very old trap. Very, very childish trap also, but it always works. Because it is childish. People never think like it can be this rotten, right? Like the game can be this skewed in terms of like biasness. And the actual biasness is not coming from force, that someone is more powerful than you. This is coming from the weight of knowledge, that someone is more knowledgeable than you. That if someone just, their mother tongue is English, because they didn't do anything to learn English, they are somehow more intelligent than someone speaking some other language. How is that like make sense? Both are mother tongue only. Both are given for free. How this, your idea of knowledge is skewed in your mind. And it is deliberately done. It's not like These people are very clever mentally. They know how to play all of these games, like divide and rule, putting someone down. So very common, like the technique used in the history was like, most of the time they will side Indian is like, okay, oh, you are our equivalent, almost, but all of these guys are beneath. Don't sit with them. It's like that, in classroom, if you see, like that kind of mental game plays. You like, and then Indians feel like, obviously we are superior because they are arrogant. Most of the Indians, they're like, obviously we are better than the blacks and the browns and the Chinese. Obviously we are with you. So we're like, what? See how the white trick was played. Very interesting. And then they go to someone else, then they tell them different story. So they are playing all of this like thought game in your mind. Look at what goes in their news channels. All of this only. The news channel is not news channel. The news channel is how can we spread this thought in public. That's it. So don't, and even if you answer no, just always have the right to like say no at any time. Okay? Whenever the other person starts blabbering shit, you also blabber shit. So if they don't understand something and then they're like, oh, this works, but for me, I don't give it this part. Then we're like, blah, 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 tea, coffee, nice tea, flute, done. Bye-bye. Like if they blabber shit without thinking, without giving any constructive like analysis of it, then why do you have to like deal with them? No, just say, because what they are saying is also nonsense. So you also say nonsense and issue will be done. Because then you are actually getting your power back. That you are not, even if you answered, you are not answerable of what your answer should be. You answered done. Who cares? Like tell me, how many you question your doctor? Okay, somebody goes to the doctor and then you ask for the proof. Doctor, you told me this medicine will work. Show me different patients it has worked on. Show me the data. Show me live now. Okay, you get ill, take this medicine and show me live now how it is done. Oh my God. Do you ever do that to doctor? No, nobody does it. So why is this like proof? Like you have to prove. Why do you have to prove? Do you have to prove to doctor? Do you have to prove to the lawyer? Like why this act is like this? Do you ask for proof? Why is this act like this? Why is constitution like this? Do you ask all of this? Stupidity. All of these are excuses invented by the very clever mind to surpass the reality, or to just like, no, I won't see. And they're like, open your eyes. They're like, no, this is so good. Darkness is good. Okay, so I told you two ways. One, don't fall in the trap of answering. You are whatever you are. Why do you need to answer someone? Are you normal or not? Who are these people? Like, to decide, like, who gave them the right? Is psychology something legal? Like, this is normal or this is not normal? Then I need, like, proper, like, manuscript of it. Some government certified manuscript. Like, this is normal, this behavior. Because they don't know shit. But still they spread all of these things. You're like, this person has mental health problem. This person has that. All of these stupid qualifications, right? Classifications. Qualifications. So basically it's the most idiot, stupid person is the class monitor. And that person is doing all kind of stupid shit. Okay? And saying anything to anyone. It's like, oh, you are like that. Because he's monitor. Nobody else can talk. Otherwise he will write the name, punish. The teacher will come and punish. But he can say anything. So like, you are like that, you are like that, you are bad too, you are bad too. All of this. So if that happens, you need to understand. Like one, you don't need to answer. Okay? Just stay in silence. Done. That is the answer. Silence is the best answer. Second, even if you answer, always held the right to just withdraw it. I was like, okay, I gave you benefit of doubt, but I now actually am 100% sure that you are beyond any like hope. Okay? Okay, so I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.